Sometimes it's nice to get out of the four-wheel drive and jump into something classic. This is our 1970 HG GTS Monaro. It's our pride and joy. I had one when I was about 22 years old. This one's got a 253. It's a beautifully restored HG. We've just been and had some breakfast. But our channel is diverse. We like to show cars, we like to show four-wheel drives, we like to review products. We just like four wheels, really. So this is our baby. Fully restored. Beautiful on the inside, beautiful on the outside. 4-speed. This is our girl. I thought I'd just do a really short video, throw it on YouTube, just to show, I guess you've seen some of our videos are about cars. In this car park, the Werribee Collectible Car Club usually have their Sunday morning coffee catch-ups. But I saw the mural and I thought I could take a couple of really nice photos of her. Wassana's over here, looking beautiful. So yeah, so this is one of our little babies. Right, I hope everyone's having a lovely weekend. We are. We just had a beautiful breakfast at Chatterbox in Werribee. We were going to go to a car show today, but it was cancelled, so I just put some air in the tyres, put some fuel in. We're just going to go for a drive out Werribee South. So yeah, so the diversity of dirt road 4x4. This is our HG Monaro. This is Trev signing out with the beautiful Wassana. See you guys.